Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. It's Halloween, trick or treat, suck my teeth.
What?
Non si dice così. Tu come ti dici trick or treat?
Just trick or treat.
Quindi la professoressa ci faceva sta canzone, trick or trick, tiki tac. Anyway, apparently it's just trick or treat. So we decided to make some chocolate truffle with dark chocolates and blood on it to celebrate Halloween, but also to celebrate our new studio. If you wanna see how we make them, come with me. Facciamo! First step of the recipe, we need to blitz some Oreos. Just need a regular blender, nothing too fancy. Si sta bruciando camera. No. We wanna make sure all the Oreos are nice and blitzed, so keep blitzing until we reach the consistency that we want. Right, the biscuits are now ready, nice and mixed. Almost like sand, no? At this stage, we can add our mascarpone or any soft cheese.
Mascarpone?
È così chiamato in Inghilterra.
Sei italiano.
Okay, we can add the mascarpone. We want to reach a playable consistency. So dico playable.
Moldable?
Moldable.
Go with moldable.
Let's go with moldable. Once we have got our mix ready, and then it's completely up to you, the size of the truffle. I like them when you can basically do one bite from it. Plop. So here we go, my friends. Once we have got all the balls made like that, it's time to put in the freezer for roughly 20 to 30 minutes. Ci rimarranno un po'. So after 30 minutes in the freezer, they're gonna look like that, nice and firm. I've put some toothpick already inside, and I'm gonna show you why I did that in a second. We're gonna need dark chocolate, white chocolate, and we're gonna melt them in the microwave. 30 seconds, medium power, and every 30 seconds you take it out, you stir a little bit until it melts. Okay, once our chocolate is melted, we're gonna get the truffles straight from the freezer, dip them into the chocolate, remove any excess chocolates from it, or as much as possible, and then we're gonna place them into the tray like that. They are all covered in chocolate. We can put them back in the freezer, and in the meanwhile we're gonna melt our white chocolate. Same process as the dark one. Now we're gonna color the white chocolate with a red colorant made for chocolate. It's very important. If you buy a gel, it won't mix properly and it won't get a nice color. In terms of quantity, it depends how red do you want the chocolate, but I'll suggest to start slowly and then you add more color if you want to. Okay, perché mi c'è cagata proprio, cazzo. Once we reach this kind of red, we are ready to work our magic off. So once we have our truffle nice and cold, we're gonna remove all the toothpicks. So at this stage, we can place them on a rack, give a bit of space between them. Get the smallest spoon you have, just get a little bit of the red one, place in the middle and leave to drop. And while the chocolate is still a bit melted, we're gonna decorate them however you like.
They look like little boobs. Okay, that one's got blood on his eye. I'll get out your way.
Exactly. Right, we are ruining the whole video here because she's impatient. Tenzing, chiedi Dragon Ball.
Oh.
Te ne vedrei occhio e quattro palle. Right, now the best thing to do is place them in the freezer again. So that is after 10 minutes in the freezer. I'll give them a taste. Look how soft is the middle. Trick or treats, suck my seeds. I wish you happy Halloween, a big kiss from Dino's kitchen, and see you in the next video. Puoi dire pure suck my feet se non vogliono tips.